Hello everyone, let us start question number 5 of exercise 14.3 of class 8. So you can see it is a trinomial and it is a binomial. So we cannot cut it fully. Some student I observe cut 5 ones are 5 and 5 twos are 10 and then y cut by y and this y cut. This is not possible students. You can cut a binomial with only binomial with the same number, same sign, and a trinomial with the trinomial with the same terms, right? So we have to at first factorize this y square plus 7y plus 10. So you can see that 10 is not perfect square number, so we have to split 7 in two numbers that whose product will be 10. So this is 2 and 5. 5 plus 2 is 7 and 5 twos are 10. So we will write y square plus 5y plus 2y plus 10 by y plus 5, right? So we have splitted 7 in 5 plus 2. So you can see here you can take common from first two terms, that is y is common, so y plus 5 will remain, and what will be common in the last two terms is 2, so y plus 5 again remained. Y plus 5 is in the denominator, so you can see from here y plus 5 is throw out common, so you can take y plus 5 common and y plus 2 will remain in the bracket after taking common, and y plus 5. Now y plus 5 is the same binomial in the numerator and denominator, so you can cut it and you will get y plus 2 is the solution, right? So let us come to the second part. You can see here also 32 is non-perfect square, so we have to split this 14. Here is negative, it means we have to split 14 in the subtraction of the two numbers, right? So let us check how we can factorize 32. So at first we have to find the factor of 31. 32s are right, and if you do by 2 you will get at 16. 16 twos are 32 and 16 minus 2 is 14. Here is negative, so we will take minus 16 and plus 2, then we will get minus 14, and the product of minus 16 and 2 is minus 32. So you can write here m square minus 16m plus 2m minus 32, and it is divided by m plus 2. So from the first two you can take m as the common and you will get m minus 16, right? M as the common and m minus 16. From the last two you can take 2 as the common and m minus 16 will be there in the bracket. M plus 2 is there in the denominator. So throughout you can see the both terms having m minus 16, so you can write m minus 16 and what will remain? M plus 2. So in the denominator also you are having m plus 2, so it will cut and you will get the answer m minus 16. So let us come to the next one. You can see 5, 25, 20 all are the multiples of 5. So at first you will take common 5, then you will get 5 square minus 5p plus 4 by p minus 1. Now we have to factorize this p square minus 5p plus 4. So let us factorize. 4 ones are 4 and 4 and 1 5. So you will write p square minus 4p minus p plus 4 divide by p minus 1, and 5 was the common, you will write it with this, and 5 into, you can see p will be common, then p minus 4 will remain, minus 1 will be common, then p minus 4 will remain. So p minus 4 will be throughout common and p minus 1 will be remained in the bracket. Now in the division p minus 1 is there, so you can cut p minus 1, and this is 5 into p minus 4. This is the solution. Let us come to the fourth part. You can see 4yz we have given at first. We can cut y to y and 2 twos are 4. So we have to factorize now this trinomial. So this is 4z we have outside and this is z square. So this is a perfect square number 16, but it is a negative perfect square number, so it is not possible to complete the identity. So we have to split 6. 8 twos are 16. Here is negative, so we have to find the subtraction of the number must be 6. So 8 minus 2 is 6. So we will take positive 8 and minus 2. So here we will write positive 8 and minus 2. In the division we are having z plus 8 only. So you can see here 2z, and from these two you can take z as the common and z plus 8 will remain. Now both are negative terms, so you have to take minus 2 as the common and z plus 8 will remain because sign will be changed. Divide by z plus 8. So you can take here z plus 8 as throw out common and what will remain? Z minus 2. So you can divide it by Z plus 8, cut it, and you will get 2Z into Z minus 2. So this is the solution. Now let us come to the next part here. 5pq into p square minus q square by 2p into p plus q. At first you can cut this p by p, and what will remain is 5q. This is a square minus b square identity, that is a minus b into a plus b. So here we are using, instead of a as p, instead of b as q. So p minus q into p plus q, and we have given to divide it by p in plus q, 2 into p plus q. So p plus q cut by p plus q, you will get 5q into p minus q by 2. So this is the solution. Now let us come to the sixth part. You can cut x, y, number by number. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. Now you can see here 9x square. It can also be rewrite as 3x whole square. 14y square can also be rewrite as 4y whole square, and in the denominator only 3x plus 4y is there. So you can see this is a square minus b square, where a is 3x and b is 4y. So you can do directly a minus b into a plus b, that is 3x minus 4y into 3x plus 4y. This is 4y, and divide it by 3x plus 4y. So you can cut 3x plus 4y from here, and what will remain? 3 into 3x minus 4y. This is the solution. So let us come to the last part of the question. You can cut it. 13 3s are 39, 13 2s are 26. Y square will cut by y square, only y will remain here. Here you can see 15, 98, both are not the perfect square number, so you can take 2 as the common from here. So 3 was there, y was there, and 2 you are getting common from here. This will become 25, y square minus 49, and it is divided by 2 into 5y plus 7. So you can cut this 2 also. Now you can rewrite it like 3y into 25 is the square of 5. So 5y minus 5y square minus 7 square, divide by 5y plus 7. This is again an identity, a square minus b square. So 3y into 5y minus 7, 5y plus 7. This is a minus b into a plus b. And in the division there is 5y plus 7. Right? Only 5y plus 7 was remained from here. So you can cut 5y plus 7. So this is the answer, 3y into y minus 7.